English Listening Lab.
Hi, I'm Emma from the English Listening Lab. Today we're going to learn an easy trick to remember English prepositions. These are small words, but they are very important in daily English.
Hi, I'm Jack, and I always get confused with words like in, on, and at. I forget them easily.
That's very common, Jack. Many learners feel the same. But today I will show you a very simple way to understand them like pictures in your mind.
That sounds helpful. I like easy tricks.
Great. First, let's understand what prepositions are. Prepositions are small words that connect ideas. They usually show place, time, or direction.
So they help tell where or when something happens?
Exactly. For example, I am in the room.
In the room means inside the room.
Perfect. Now let's start with three very common ones: in, on, and at.
These are the ones I always mix up.
Don't worry, we will make it simple. Think of in like being inside a box.
Inside a box?
Yes, imagine you are inside a room, a car, or a building. You are in it.
So I say I am in the room?
Perfect. Or I am in the car.
That's easy to remember now.
Good. Now think of on like something on a surface.
Like on a table?
Exactly. Or on a chair, on a bed, on a page.
So I can say the book is on the table.
Perfect. In is inside, on is surface. Yes, very good. Now let's talk about at. Think of at like a small exact point.
Exact point?
Yes, like a location or place. For example, I am at school.
So it doesn't matter inside or outside.
Right, it just shows the place generally.
Okay, I think I understand.
Great. Now let's compare them simply. In equals inside something, on equals surface, at equals exact place.
That looks very simple when you say it like that.
Yes, and now let's use real-life examples. Imagine you are at home. You can say, I am in my room.
Because I am inside the room.
Yes, now imagine your phone is on the table.
My phone is on the table.
Correct. Now imagine you are waiting outside a restaurant.
I am at the restaurant.
Perfect. I like this pattern. Good. Now let's make it more fun. I will give you situations and you try to answer.
Okay, I'm ready.
And now let's move into something very useful in daily life: how we use in, on, and at with time. This is where many learners get confused, but we'll make it very simple.
Yes, I really need this. I always say the wrong one for time.
Don't worry, Jack. We'll use the same easy idea. Pictures in your mind. Let's start with at for time.
Okay.
Think of at as a very exact time point. For example, I will meet you at 5 o'clock.
So it's a specific time.
Exactly. Or at night.
That means a general time, but still a fixed idea.
Yes, good observation. You can also say at lunchtime, at midnight.
So at is like a small point in time.
Perfect. Now let's move to in. Think of in as a longer time period.
Longer time, like days.
Yes, for example, in the morning.
Not a specific time, just part of the day.
Exactly. You can also say in April, in 2026, in summer.
So in is for bigger time periods.
Yes, very good. Now let's look at on. Think of on as a day or date.
Like Monday,
Yes, for example, on Monday.
on Friday.
Perfect. And also on 5th May.
So on is for days and dates.
Exactly. Now let's compare all three simply. At equals exact time, on equals day/date, in equals longer period.
That looks very clear now.
Good. Now let's practice in real sentences. I will call you blank 6 p.m. At 6 p.m. Good. I was born blank July.
In July.
Excellent. The meeting is blank Monday.
On Monday.
Perfect.
This is becoming easier now.
Great. Now let's connect this with real-life situations. Imagine your daily routine. You wake up blank morning.
In the morning.
You go to work blank 8 a.m.
At 8 a.m.
You have a meeting blank Tuesday.
On Tuesday.
Perfect.
I can see the pattern now.
Good. Now let's move to place prepositions again, but in real travel situations.
Okay.
Imagine you are in a bus. You say, I am on the bus.
On the bus, not in?
Good question. Yes, we say on the bus, on the train, on the plane.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, because you are on a surface or inside a transport system.
That's interesting.
Now imagine you are inside a taxi or car. You say, I am in a car.
So cars use in, but buses use on.
Exactly.
That's tricky but logical.
Yes, once you understand the picture, it becomes easy. Now let's do a quick practice. I will give you a situation. I will meet you blank Friday.
On Friday.
Good. The shop opens blank 9 a.m.
At 9 a.m.
We go on holiday blank December.
In December.
Excellent.
I feel like I'm improving.
You are doing very well. Now here's another common mistake learners make. They say, I will meet you in Monday.
Oh, that sounds wrong.
Yes, correct form is on Monday.
Got it.
Another one, I will see you at Monday.
Also wrong?
Yes, always use on for days.
I understand now.
Good. Now let's make a small story so you can remember everything.
Okay.
You wake up blank morning.
In the morning.
You start work blank 9 a.m.
At 9 a.m.
You have a meeting blank Wednesday.
On Wednesday.
Perfect.
This is like my daily life.
Exactly. That's why it's easy to remember. Now here's a final tip for this part. Don't translate from your language. Think in English pictures.
That helps me avoid mistakes.
Yes, now you already know in for time periods, on for days and dates, at for exact time.
Simple and clear.
Great. Now that we understand time and place, next we will learn a very easy memory trick to never forget prepositions again. And now, Jack, I'm going to give you a very easy memory trick. If you remember this, you will almost never forget prepositions again.
That sounds amazing. I really need a trick like that.
Good. Let's start with the simplest idea. Think of in as a box.
A box.
Yes, imagine you are inside a box, a room, a car, a bag, anything with inside space.
So, in means inside something.
Exactly. For example, I am in the room. My keys are in my bag.
Okay, I can see that picture in my mind.
Perfect. Now let's move to on. Think of a table.
A table.
Yes, anything that sits on a surface. A book on a table. A phone on a bed. A cup on a desk.
So on equals surface.
Exactly. Just imagine touching the top.
That makes it very visual.
Good. Now the last one is at. Think of a point on a map.
Like a dot?
Yes, just one exact point. Not inside, not on a surface. Just a location.
So I can think at equals 1 point.
Perfect.
In equals box, on equals table, at equals point.
Excellent. You just learned the main trick. Now let's make it even stronger. I will give you real-life examples, and you tell me the preposition.
Okay, let's try.
The milk is blank the fridge.
In the fridge.
Good. The phone is blank the table.
On the table.
I am blank the airport.
At the airport.
Perfect.
This is actually sticking in my mind now.
That's the goal. Now let's make a quick story so your brain remembers automatically. Imagine your day. You wake up blank your room.
In your room.
You sit blank your bed.
On your bed.
Then you go blank school or office.
At school or at the office.
Perfect.
I can feel the pattern now.
Good. Now let's add movement. When you move, we often use to.
Like go to school?
Exactly. For example, I go to work. I go to the shop.
So to shows direction.
Yes, very good. Now let's mix everything in a simple, real conversation. Where are you?
I am in my room.
What is on your desk?
My book is on my desk.
Where are you going?
I am going to the office.
Excellent.
This feels like real English now.
That's because it is real English. Now let's talk about common mistakes learners make.
Okay.
Many people say, I am on home.
Oh, that sounds wrong.
Yes, correct is I am at home.
Got it.
Another mistake, I am in bus.
Should it be on the bus?
Yes, very good.
This is tricky but logical now.
Exactly. Now let's do a quick memory test. I will say a word and you quickly answer in, on, or at.
Okay, fast practice.
Car,
In the car.
bus,
On the bus.
school,
At school.
table,
On the table.
bag.
In the bag.
Excellent.
I feel much faster now.
That's because your brain is learning patterns, not rules.
That makes sense.
Now let's combine everything in a final mini story. You wake up in morning.
In the morning.
You are on your bed.
On your bed.
You go to work at 8 a.m.
To work at 8 a.m.
You sit at your office.
At your office.
Your phone is on your desk.
On your desk.
Perfect.
Wow, I didn't think prepositions could be this easy.
Yes, when you use pictures and simple tricks, it becomes natural.
I think I will remember this now.
That's great. And remember, the more you speak and practice, the more automatic it becomes.
I will try to use it in real life.
Perfect. And if you're watching this, try describing your day using in, on, and at. It really helps you improve fast.
This was really helpful.
I'm glad. Now you have a full memory trick. Box, surface, and point. That's your key to mastering prepositions in English.
I like that. Simple and easy to remember.
Great job today. Keep practicing, and you'll never feel confused with prepositions again.
See you next time.
Bye.